Gentlemen, listen up, because we've got another Courageous Men's event coming up. Yes, we're going to be doing something called Goals and Curry. So you can come and have curry, a buffet, lots of different choices of what you can have. And then we're going to have some competitions with some goals that we're going to have set up. So we really want you to be involved in this, and maybe even bring a friend along as well if you can. It's going to be £15 and you can book in right now via our website. So do not miss out. Book in today. Help us, please, by booking in early. And we're going to have a great time, men together, for that event on the 19th of October.
We've recently shared at Excel Church about our plans for Mission 25. Yes, it's so exciting. We've got 6 opportunities for everyone to get involved in here at church, in the local community, nationally in the UK, and even abroad in Spain and Uganda with the Watoto's Children's Choir. So guys, there's lots for you to sign up for. So why don't you head to our website, sign up there with your interest in those opportunities that we've got out there. We want to get as many people involved in this, and we want to make a difference for Jesus with the gospel. So get involved, guys, sign up with your interest, and we can't wait to do Mission 25 together. To Excel Church, have you joined us in like the last 3 to 6 months? Well, we'd love to buy you a drink and tell you a little bit more about church and who we are as leadership here at Excel Church. So why don't you come along to Costa Coffee at Key Junction, Willen Hall, around 6 p.m. on Thursday the 10th of October. It'll be a great time to just chat a bit more, get to know you, and you'll get a free coffee. So come along for that if you're new to Excel Church. So guys, that's all for Excel News, but don't forget to check in with your Connect groups this week, because they're all going to be meeting. And ladies, don't forget Devoted is this week, so make sure if you haven't got your ticket yet, you get it today. And join us next Sunday, where we'll have Rachel with us as our guest speaker. So we can't wait to see you then. Have a great week.